Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Airbnb app, and here it opens up at the explore page where we have some suggestions for houses. From here we have to tap on profile, and in profile we have to scroll down, and under the settings section tap on personal information, and here we find phone number as the second option from the list. We just tap on this, and we can change the region and the phone number as well. If you have already set one, that will be present here, so it's going to appear here. But if we haven't added a phone number yet, we can add it right now. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.